The red potato and the carrots go well together. Now, I tried with different potatoes, such as yellow potatoes, russet potatoes, but the red potato has a unique flavor, and that goes well with the carrots. So first, boil each of the ingredients separately. For potato, boil it like 15 minutes to 20 minutes until it gets soft. And for carrots, the same. Takes a little bit longer. No, I use the baby carrots because cook time is short, but I cook like 20 minutes, 25 minutes until it gets soft enough, so that I can use a blender to make a puree. So what I did here is actually mix the boiled carrots and the potato together and put them in a blender and then blend them all together. As you can see, it's nice color, and I had to actually run it twice. So I mixed them manually and then run the second time, and now it became this very nice puree. It's smooth, and it has a nice, a natural flavor of carrots and the red potatoes. It's very easy to digest and perfect for young babies. So I store them in containers, and some of them I freeze them. Yes, easy and good.